Welcome to this new tutorial of AlgoBuilderX. In this video we will find out how to build a strategy that is based on two conditions that must occur simultaneously. The indicators we will use will be the Bollinger Bands and the Relative Strength Index, RSI. Our strategy will be implemented in the on-tick event and will follow this logic. If there are no open trades and the candle closes below the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI has a value below 30, we are in an oversold condition, so we will open a buy position. Conversely, if the candle closes above the upper Bollinger Band, with an RSI value above 70, we are in an overbought condition and wish to open a sell position. We start by dragging the Check Trades Count block, configuring it as No Trade. Let's also add the Spread filter. Doing so will prevent our strategy from opening trades at times of too much volatility. Set up this way, our conditions will be executed only if the spread is less than 1. Let's add the first condition. We need to specify that the candle must close below the lower Bollinger Band. We choose from the conditions, Candle, Candle Close, and set the candle ID to 1. A small note, candle ID number 0 represents the current candle. Candle ID number 1 is associated with the previous candle, so, the one that just closed. Similarly, candle ID 2 corresponds to the candle prior to the one already mentioned, and so on. In this way we will not have false signals generated by a momentary outflow of the candle from the band, but will wait for the candle to close. We select Less Than, and, from the right side, choose the Bollinger Bands indicator with the default parameters. We are interested in interacting with the lower band, so we change the Result parameter to Bottom. For more reliability, again we enable additional filters, enable Candle ID, and set the value to 1. Doing so will only take into account the indicator values of the closed candle and not the current one. Let's add a new condition, linking it to the previous one, and choose the RSI indicator. We set the symbol to Less Than. Choose Values, Numeric, and assign the value 30. Next, let's drag the Buy Action block and configure it according to our preferences. However, do not consider these values, as they are only for illustrative purposes. These two conditions, connected in this way, must both occur before a buy position can be opened. In contrast, if we had set the conditions in this way, the opening of the buy position would occur with the occurrence of at least one of the two conditions. Now let us duplicate the two conditions, connect them, and make the necessary changes. In the first condition we reverse the sign so that it is More Than, and change the Result parameter to Top. In the second condition, we change the sign to More Than, and set the value to 70. Finally, let's drag the Sell Action block and configure it as we prefer. We conclude by generating our bot and check if everything is working properly. Perfect! Watch the next video tutorial if you want to learn more about ABX. Custom strategies, made easy.